Here are 20 objectives of point-of-care testing (POCT). 1. Rapid results. Provide immediate test results to facilitate quick medical decision-making. 2. Enhanced patient care. Improve patient care by reducing the time between testing and diagnosis. 3. Accessibility. Increase access to diagnostic testing in remote, underserved, and resource-limited settings. 4. Convenience. Offer convenient testing options for patients in various healthcare settings, including homes and clinics. 5. Early detection. Enable early detection and intervention for acute and chronic conditions. 6. Emergency response. Support emergency medical services with on-site diagnostic capabilities. 7. Reduce hospital stays. Decrease the length of hospital stays by providing rapid diagnostics at the bedside. 8. Cost effectiveness. Reduce healthcare costs by minimizing the need for laboratory-based tests and repeat visits. 9. Patient monitoring. Facilitate continuous and real-time monitoring of patients with chronic diseases. 10. Improved workflow. Enhance clinical workflow efficiency by reducing the need to send samples to central laboratories. 11. Patient satisfaction. Increase patient satisfaction through quicker and more efficient care. 12. Support for remote areas. Provide diagnostic services in rural and remote areas where laboratory infrastructure is limited. 13. Infection control. Enable prompt diagnosis and isolation of infectious diseases to prevent outbreaks. 14. Empowerment. Empower patients to manage their health through self-testing and monitoring. 15. Personalized medicine. Support personalized medicine initiatives by providing tailored testing at the point of care. 16. Timely decision-making. Aid in timely clinical decision-making in critical care settings. 17. Diagnostic accuracy. Improve diagnostic accuracy and outcomes by providing real-time data to clinicians. 18. Reduction of laboratory burden. Alleviate the workload of central laboratories by handling routine tests at the point of care. 19. Support for home health care. Enhance home healthcare services with portable diagnostic tools. 20. Integration with health systems. Integrate POCT results seamlessly into electronic health records for comprehensive patient management. These objectives highlight the importance of POCT in enhancing healthcare delivery by providing rapid, accessible, and cost-effective diagnostic solutions.